FuelSave Systems and Devices is one of the leading manufacturers of rolling mill furnaces. FuelSave System and Devices manufactures and exports various types of industrial oil, gas-fired, natural gas, electrically heated fuel-efficient furnaces, combustion equipment like burners, blowers, oil recuperator, hot air generators, and air pollution control systems as per customers' requirements. FuelSave Rolling Mill Furnaces offers numerous advantages in metal working. Firstly, they facilitate controlled heating, crucial for the precise shaping and strengthening of metals. Their efficiency in maintaining consistent temperatures ensures uniformity across materials, minimizing inconsistencies in the final product. These furnaces enhance the malleability of metals, allowing for easier deformation during the rolling process, resulting in improved mechanical properties like increased strength and durability. Additionally, they contribute to energy savings due to their high thermal efficiency. The controlled environment within the furnace prevents oxidation, preserving the metal's quality. Overall, rolling mill furnaces play a pivotal role in optimizing production, enhancing product quality, and reducing operational costs in metal manufacturing. FuelSave System and Devices reheating furnaces are used to bring the raw materials like ingot, billet, etc. to the ambient temperature required for rolling. FuelSave System and Devices' main aim is to save fuel costs. For more details, visit our website www.fuelsave.net.